Always a treat. And this guy is in town, in our canteen. Chef D back on the show. Because look at what he creates.
I know, right?
And it worked out that the chip day was today, too. We'll get to that in a second. What are we doing today?
We're doing Ontario pork. 997 pork producers all in one area. Sustainable, great families, all in. They buy into it. It's absolutely fantastic.
What's the book?
This is the whole hog recipes for pork. The great thing about this is that you can go to wholehog.ca and proceeds of this book go to Feed Ontario, so everything goes back into it. There's some great recipes on it, some great videos on it as well. So check it out. Go whole hog, but you gotta rub me tender.
They have rubs.
They have rubs. Rub me tender. Look at this.
See that?
Yep.
Get those, Laura?
Yep.
Look at that.
And then just
so this is a type of rub that you're putting specifically
100%. It's made for it. Yeah, 100%.
Okay, so we have two different types here, right?
We have the pork butt, which is going to become
the which?
Pork butt, the boneless pork butt.
Ali, Papa just said butt. Your granddaughter is here.
That's right.
Ali's here.
So we're just going to put a little bit of that on. And now this is going to be for a Cuban sandwich. So we're not going to smoke this. Sandwich. We're going to actually braise this in some great liquid, a little bit of parsley, a little bit of oregano, and that goes. And then we're going to add some citrus, so some orange juice. That almost went everywhere. So we're going to add in about 2 or 3 cups of orange juice.
Really? Mm-hmm. That's it?
That's it. And then we're going to take some lime juice and lemon juice, right? And then just, we're going to use like 3 of them.
Okay.
And then a little bit of lemon here. And then some, now you can put either some just fresh garlic in or some roasted garlic, wherever you want to take this.
Yeah, let's do a little roasted garlic.
Okay, perfect.
Do you put that in there?
100%.
Okay, throw that in there.
So then we take this, and then we're going to pop this in the oven.
Okay.
350 degrees.
How long will that be in there for?
We're going to cook it for about 2 to 3 hours. You know what I mean? You don't want it to fall right apart, but you want it to be tender enough that you can try a little piece of that.
So that is what this is?
This is it here. I'm going to bring this out so they can see it. Now I just trimmed a little bit of the fat off. Again, away you go. And right now, pork is so, it's the inexpensive protein, right? And so then you can just see we have some pork tenderloin, so we're doing one side to the other. And then what I've done here with the pork tenderloin is I've made a root beer glaze, Tim. And so we got some root beer in here. We're gonna add some of our roasted garlic in here, just like so.
Is it better to use roasted garlic? There's a bit of a flavor, different flavor to it.
It's a nuttier flavor. It's not as pungent. Then we're gonna add in our rub me tender. Yeah, you can check this out. It's so cool. Then we're gonna take our pork.
You're putting it right in there.
Right in there. And then I would
look at it's all fizzing up. Yeah. Oh, cool.
And then I would leave this in for you can go anywhere from 1 hour to up to 6 hours. Sure. You know?
Put that. You put that in the fridge or leave that?
Just put that in the fridge and away we go, right?
And then you've got it.
Just be careful, that's hot.
Ooh, hey-oh, it is. Can't confirm. So and then you put that in the oven for the same amount of time?
Exactly, or put it on the barbecue, you know what I mean?
Okay.
And then it just browns up nicely for you, but try a little bit of that.
Well, should we be worried about when we see any pink in pork?
Because now you can, remember, pork can be cooked to 160 degrees. So
get a meat thermometer.
160 degrees is absolutely perfect. How great is that?
Right. So
because, God bless my mom and grandmother, years ago they used to always cook it till it was done,
Cook the heck out of it.
Right, okay. So now sandwich.
Okay. So we got some Texas toast.
Yep.
You got a bun.
Yep, I got a bun.
You're gonna do the bun?
I'm gonna do the bun. So on it goes. Some pickles.
This goes. You can put either one, right?
100%.
Okay. I'm going to put out some of this fresh stuff, some of this warm stuff. Because what makes a Cuban sandwich, Chef?
Okay, so then it is the pulled pork that we're using here, the Cuban roast, the butt roast, then some ham, some Serrano sausage, so you get a little bit of spice. And then we use mozzarella here, but you can use any kind of cheese that you like if you like something a little bit spicier, and away you go. Okay,
so we got a little bit of cheese on there. We got some little Serrano. Did you put any onions on here too?
You can if you like. Yeah.
So I'm putting that. Let's do that. Let's put that in there. Okay. Throw that down, but we got some done. And actually, it worked out that it's chip day today. But what have you created here, Chef?
Okay, so this is just a little appetizer using the pork tenderloin, roasted pepper aioli, pickled onion on a chip. I was going to bring, one of the chips from my good friend Barry's Asparagus, and I forgot it at home. I know how much you like those chips.
They are fabulous,
right?
but it's so good. This is like on a spicy, like chili heat, I think,
Exactly.
a Dorito. And then these are the sandwiches right here.
Sandwiches here, Ontario pork producers. Check them out. Sustainable, great. It's the other protein that we got to remember that we can eat, and just love the whole story around it. And of course, you can grab the cookbook. The proceeds go to Feed Ontario.
We got to show off a couple of new members of the family.
Exactly.
Quickly, who do we got here? Who do we got in the pictures?
We got Rosie and Boaz. So that's Rosie. And then Boaz is coming up right. Oh, sorry, Rosie again, and then Boaz.
Hey, Rosie, turn around. We don't need to see your back. How old?
They are now 10 weeks old. So we lost both Daisy and Titan, and I said to Trish, I can't live without dogs. So
you got two of them.
We
And
got
from
two.
a breed around here?
Just right around here. Yep.
Amazing. Good to see you, though.
Good to see you.
Okay. More Morning Live as I bite into this Cuban sandwich. Yummy. Be back after this.